camera phones have come a long way. So it was a little bit grainy, a little bit choppy, but I had some of the highest views with some of the most grainy videos ever. So I'm gonna say definitely start with your phone first if you cannot afford that camera, because camera prices are freaking ridiculous these days. Go ahead and start with that camera phone, and baby, keep uploading. Do what it do, make it do what it do.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade black burgundy. The way that we...
What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl, Simply Create, also known as Candace. I am here, guys, with a video. But first, before we get into it, guys, I need you guys to go ahead and do me a big favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and hit the like button and the share button, please share. And don't forget to drop a comment if there is something else you want to see, or if you have questions about anything that we will be talking about today. And if you guys are my returning sub, what's up, cousin? What's up? We back, baby, we back. Okay, so guys, so let's get into this, guys. We are going to be discussing really quickly, because it's a Sunday, so I gotta do all things mommyhood, wife, all of that jazz. I'm like, what is this flying by? Somebody just rolled by on this little moped. I'm like, who is this? What's going on? Anyways, we're on my video. Anyways, guys, so yes, let's get into it. Today we will be talking about some content creator tips. This can be for anybody, for beginners, intermediate, and if you are advanced, you already know this, so I ain't really got to tell you this, but you can listen up anyways. Okay, so guys, so let's get into it. First things first, your equipment, guys. You do not have to have top of the line equipment. Please don't go out and buy the latest camera. Let me tell you, when I first started, guys, I started with my phone. It was the worst. I'm not even gonna say the worst, because I've seen some videos that was worse than mine. But you know, sometimes your phone, like I started a few years ago, or almost 5 years ago, and I didn't have the best quality camera phone, and camera phones have come a long way. So it was a little bit grainy, a little bit choppy, but I had some of the highest views with some of the most grainy videos ever. So I'm gonna say definitely start with your phone first if you cannot afford that camera, because camera prices are freaking ridiculous these days. Go ahead and start with that camera phone, and baby, keep uploading. Do what it do, make it do what it do. Editing apps. A lot of people like CapCut. I have been falling in love with CapCut for my like TikTok vlogs and my YouTube shorts and stuff like that. I have definitely fallen in love with using CapCut, but for long form content, guys, I use an app called Power Director. I am an Android person, so I do not have iMovie like I know a lot of people on their iPhones usually use. And I forgot what is the other editing app for Apple. I don't know, but I typically like Power Director and a CapCut. So I would definitely suggest using those to edit your videos. Definitely great. They have some great features. You can either buy the plan, and Power Director is $12.99, and CapCut is also, I forgot how much CapCut, but I'll put that, y'all gonna see that below, for the pro program. Now of course they also have free programs, but sometimes they'll have them in the watermark, or you can only have like the limited edition tools that you can use. But either way, it still gets the job done. So you don't necessarily have to pay for neither one of these editing programs. You can still use a free version until you get your funds up. Okay, so don't let that hold you. All right, next up, guys, if you are like, now it's like October, if you are running out of ideas for content creation, take advantage of the holiday seasons. Like there's so much content that you can do with the holiday seasons, like Halloween's coming up. Let's make Halloween, like Halloween shopping. You're going for Halloween decor. You can make content about decorating your house, like I said, your kids. If you have kids, you can make content about you did a handmade costume, or you're shopping for a costume, or like you're going to different locations where they have extreme Halloween decor, or you're going to a Halloween attraction that nobody knows about or people are eager to see or something like that. Definitely take consideration of that. You have Thanksgiving coming up. People want to know about recipes that they can try. You got Christmas coming up. People want to know gift ideas. People want to know about where to shop or what's on sale or what's trending. New Year's, people want to have ideas about making their New Year's resolutions, or they're trying to get fit for the gym. So people want to get a head start before that gym crowd pops up, because y'all know it be pumping up in January. Everybody want to be in the gym in January. So take into consideration, especially around this time now of the end of the year, Q4, fourth quarter content that you could be making if you have no idea what to do next. So definitely take the holidays, guys, into consideration when you are producing this content. Okay, so next up, guys, if you are struggling with your lighting, as you can see, I am in my car because I did not feel like setting up my little ring light, and then I have a softbox light kit too and all that. Sometimes I do not feel like setting up all of that just to make a quick little video. So what do? I sit in my car or sit outside. As my previous video or video before that, I was sitting outside because the light it's natural light. I don't have to worry about trying to adjust it, trying to get it at the right angle, trying to do this, trying to do that. If it's a shadow on this side, it is what it is. So if you are able to, if you are in a home or if you are in an apartment, then use the breezeway, or use if you have a balcony on your apartment, use that, or sit in your car. Okay, if you don't have a car, go to the park, sit on one of the benches and go sit on the swing. Baby, you can sit on the swing and still record. Okay, so don't let you not having good lighting, don't let that stop you. Use the natural light, guys. Use what God gave us. Okay, hello. Okay, next up, batch create, guys. If you know you only have a certain amount of time in a day, in a week, whatever, create as many videos as you can. I'm talking about pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, pump it out, pump it up, and record those videos. It don't matter if you still got the same clothes, whatever. If you don't want to have the same clothes, the same shirt, or whatever you're wearing in the same video, then have 2-3 shirts beside you. Change that shirt and switch your topic for the next video or your next TikTok or whatever. And TikTok don't really care about you having the same background, same shirt, same clothes. They don't care. They just want to see some entertainment or some educating piece of material. Okay, and YouTube mainly likes more education wise. They don't really care if she had the same shirt on she had on in the other video. They don't care nothing about that. They want to know you spilling the beans or what, boo, because that's what we here for. Okay, so take advantage of that day that you have, even if it's like an hour or two, and push out as much content as you can. You can edit that stuff on another day. Okay, so I don't want you to burn out. Just pick one day to film and pick another day or two to edit. But you don't have to do it all in the same day, because that will definitely make you burn out. All right, guys. And next we have, if you are a mom creator, guys, like me, take advantage of the times that your kids are asleep or they are in school. That is your time to create. If you have a 9-to-5 and you're trying to create in the between, I can't even get it together, in between times that your kids are away or asleep, then create on your lunch break. Okay, create on your lunch break. Go outside, sit in your car, make some content. Or if you're in the lunchroom, if you have a lunchroom, I don't know, just take that time to create, God. Like I said, or wake up early in the morning or late at night during nap time, when they're in school, your lunch break, late at night or early in the morning. Pick one of those and create. I know it's hard. I know you're tired. I'm tired too. I'm tired. Okay, but the job is still to keep it going, guys. We got to keep this thing going. So yes. Okay, and the last thing, guys, I think this is why I love YouTube so much, because I feel like YouTube is the only content creator platform that don't be hating when you like when you try to suggest other different platforms. Like if I'm giving you like this whole spiel about how to get more engagement on TikTok, or how to get more followers on Instagram, or how to grow your business on Pinterest, YouTube ain't hating. They gonna push that up as many people that will watch that video. Now if I go on TikTok and try to tell you how to get more followers on Instagram, TikTok gonna shut that down. Okay, they don't like you promoting other platforms. Same thing with Instagram. And I feel like, I don't know about Facebook might be but I feel like they right there with them too. YouTube is like literally, I feel like, the only platform that don't be hating on you leveling up on this platform plus other platforms. So I think that is another reason why I love YouTube, and why I think everybody should be on YouTube, because everybody has a story. Everybody has an audience. You never know who you might be helping. You never know who you might be saving. You never know who you might be encouraging. You never know who you might be motivating. So definitely, guys, if you are not on YouTube, or you are hesitating about YouTube, I would definitely suggest YouTube. And guys, a lot of brands be watching. You don't know it yet, but they be watching. So as a content creator, and if you are an influencer, I would definitely recommend being on YouTube, or having a YouTube as a secondary platform. If it's like, this is my primary platform, I'm trying to grow my TikTok. That's a whole nother story, Lord Jesus. I'm trying to grow my TikTok, but yes, I love YouTube, guys. So if you have not bit the bullet, go ahead, set it up as a content creator and just record. Like, even if you have kids and your kids in the way, like I will do content with my kids, but I like to do content without sometimes, so I can kind of get more stuff done. But like a day-to-day, I will include them sometimes. But don't let that stop you as a content creator, guys. We got to keep pushing. So I definitely want you guys to pick up that phone. If you have a camera already, great. Pick that camera up and press record and get it done. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning into my TED Talk. Just kidding. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and as always, don't forget to hit that. I can't talk today. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so that you will know when I am uploading my newest videos. And as always, I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.